Hi, this is Christina Morrison coming to you from HCD Conference and Expo, and I am in the Carolina booth with Stan Gray. The expo just opened, and we're excited to be here with Carolina today because you're the presenting sponsor once again for HCD, and we're celebrating 5 years with Carolina.
That's right.
So, Stan, how have things been going?
It's great. San Antonio's great. We chose to be the presenting sponsor of this show for 5 years now. Mainly because we believe in the show. We believe in the power it has on the healthcare design community to expose them to all of the educational tracks in the conference portion, but also an opportunity for us to show our products and provide inspiration to that group who really form the basis of healthcare and create the beautiful spaces that our healthcare system can offer.
Well, it is certainly apparent about that here in your booth today. What can you tell us about the design and kind of the inspiration behind everything here?
Sure. We really focused our entire booth design around the caregiver. A lot of research out there right now is showing that one of the number one concerns with health systems and the C-suites of those health systems is the employee labor shortages, employee retention. So, what can we do as a furniture manufacturer is provide products that support caregivers in their everyday work and delivering healthcare. And so we have, throughout our space, you'll find products, you'll find spaces that are focused really about how we can support caregivers and make them more efficient, better at their jobs, and make them love the space they work in.
What specifically, are there any areas, I think you talked about some projects that you brought into this. What was that?
Yeah, we focused on, we looked at a couple of big projects we've done over the last couple of years. The University of Pennsylvania Penn Pavilion project. We were heavily involved in that project in terms of product going in the spaces. And so this actual space right here behind us is actually inspired by that project. A lot of the same products they used on that project are included here. But really just what a great project. Other projects, too many to mention right now or to think of off the top of my head, but a lot of projects we looked at and used those projects as inspiration for our space as well. Yeah.
Well, you talked a little bit about the challenges, obviously, with staffing and caregiver. I love that approach. What would you say, though, is one of the biggest opportunities ahead from a positive perspective for 2023 and beyond?
I think at least from a mind state, a state of mind, we are just now coming out of this pandemic, and I think health systems are looking for opportunities to make their spaces more flexible for the next big thing, whatever that may be. So I think it provides a lot of opportunity for the healthcare community from a design standpoint, architecture standpoint, and for us as furniture manufacturers, it provides a lot of opportunity to really rethink a lot of the spaces that didn't perform the way they should have during the pandemic or whatever that next big thing is. So, it provides a lot of opportunity for this industry and for this community, and we're looking forward to that.
And it's good to know Carolina will be there. Well, Stan, thank you so much. And once again, thank you so much for being our presenting sponsor here. If anybody didn't make it out to the show and they'd like to know more about Carolina, how can they do that?
They can see our entire space. We have an event page set up on our website. It's carolina.ofs.com. We have a software program called Ulio that allows you to do a complete walkthrough of the space. So if you didn't make it to the show, it's like you never missed anything.
That's awesome. Well, so make sure you check that out. Stan, I'll let you get back to it. And thank you once again for watching. This is Christina signing off from HCD Conference and Expo.